This week, the troop took a hike through one of the many natural areas we have available here in the Spokane area. How we doing, Jason? Ready to go hiking? Yeah, you excited? Yeah, you like going on a hike, don't you? Always got to figure out what direction we're going here. Jason says, let's get moving. There we go. Yeah, we like going up, don't we? Yeah, you always like going up. You having fun? I think we're trying to figure out which way the trail goes. Are you frustrated because we're pulling you along or because we keep stopping? I think it's because we keep stopping. You want to keep going, don't you? Unfortunately, the trail doesn't seem to be marked all that well. So we're trying to find it. Oh, did we figure out where we're at? Pace says we got a new plan. Ready? Off this way. Off this way, bud. Go ahead. Hey, buddy. See the pond down there? It's kind of hard to see through the shrubs. Here, can you stand with the boys? Jason, get up there next to Pace. Get up there next to Pace.
Come on up here, Jason.
Get up there with Russ. Go on, Jason. You get the mosquitoes getting you?
Come on, Jason.
Gotta get up here for a group photo.
With the rest of the scouts. Yeah.
All right, looks like I have to. All right, Jason. How we doing? Are we having a good time? Yeah. There we are, buddy. Come up and join the scouts. Come on. Come up here.
Come on, Jason.
Come on up here, bud. Look, there's your friends.
Come on, Jason.
Come join your friends. Come on, buddy.
Bobby, you want to draw along my winter breakers? Come on, Jason. Right on over here.
Here, let me back up and right off the cliff.
Wednesday of Thanksgiving. Hey, Jason.
Now I got everybody in one shot. Sorta.
Well, that's not.
Well,
It's like
except for them.
Because you got Eastern has Thanksgiving break, Dead Week, winter break.
yeah.
I don't have the best.
How's the view?
Oh yeah, you guys also have the good break.
How's the view?
August. They say that, but
Looking out over town. Yeah, how about that? I think we're slowing down. Keep coming, bud. We're waiting on you. Yeah. You still having a good time? I know that you have more stamina than I do. You could keep going longer than I can. Yeah. Yeah. You still having a good time? You love this, don't you? Yeah, you do. Or are we getting tired? Getting a little late for you, I guess. Getting close to your bedtime.
Always right.
Mm.